Goodbye.
Tarpon, Florida.
It lives in Florida.
Yeah.
Do you have any brother? Yes or no? I love my daddy.
Yay! Good girl.
All right, guys, give
Thanks,
Taylor.
Ryan Taylor Rose.
Taylor Rose. Future star.
Too funny. All right, Taylor, give her back the microphone.
I'm not giving that microphone back.
I want to keep it.
Later on, give it back. Give it back.
Say no.
Say goodbye. Say.
You can come back after.
Love you.
What?
No.
Is that your brother?
Yeah.
Yes. Calvin.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Embarrassed.
All good.
Hey, stop.
Be quiet.
No, we live close by. All right.
Daddy, this one's for you.
Thank you. All right, give her the microphone.
Thank you, sweet.
Sweet Taylor Rose. I'm smitten, I must admit.
Taylor, come here.
Taylor, you know how to do a djembe, honey? Oh, there's no seat.
Taylor, come here.
Just go over there, honey. Pound
Come
that
here.
little thing.
Don't trip. Come here, babe.
Daddy, you've done a good job.
Thank
She's
you.
beautiful.
Taylor,
Can
come
you
here.
even breathe now?
Yes, come here. 1, 2, 3.
That's what David does to me, my drummer. He
here.
teaches me counting too.
She's gonna sing right now, and we're gonna tell her in a minute, okay? Hey, good job.
Taylor Rose, you're the best ever. Don't you ever forget it. You're gonna be a singer live. Well, Chicago is the baddest part of town.